Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Zillionaires Club. My name is Thomas, and because it's Monday again, so let's look which commodity is the best one to trade right now in December. Let me share my screen with you and show you my analysis of this week. So, which commodity is the one I recommend this week, Monday 16 of December 2019. This is the time when the markets open. As you can see, I'm doing this video and preparation for the trade already on Saturday 14 of December. And usually I'm starting with daily chart here in TradingView platform, which is the free platform you can use as well, free of charge. And because the coffee ticker symbol KC, this is the one I will be talking about in today's video, made such a huge drop on Friday. I think it's worth it to start from this chart and show you this huge drop, which was 6% drop in one day, you can see. So this is a commodity coffee, which I was looking already for a few days before, because all the indicators are screaming short, but only Friday I decided, and after Saturday, today's analysis of new COT report, I decided to put here as a tip for trading. So let's go back to the weekly, which I'm usually starting with. Again, coffee, KC, ticker symbol. So you can see coffee reaching basically high up to almost $140, and this was a high which is the highest in last 2.5 years. Last time it was higher, it was sometimes around July 2017. Coffee was dropping last few years, and since roughly September this year start sharply growing, and it reached a peak yesterday in the level of 140. This is very unsustainable growth, and it was just a question of time when some pullback or price change will happen, when the price will go down again. I think the time is right now, and you can see it from the COT report where the COT index is at the 0 level, which means there is very high indications that the growth is over. The same you can see in the net positions, where the net positions actually reaching 39,000 or 40,000 level. This is a level which was unseen for a very long time, even last time when the price was so high in September 2017, and the net positions were higher only in October 2016. So cut the story short, basically the net positions are so high that I think it's unsustainable that they can grow too much higher still. So I think this is indications of the price to be too high and very soon to go down. As you can see, still last week and last COT report indicating that the net positions grow from roughly 20,000 or 21,000 a week ago to 37,000 this week. So it's a huge growth still. But as I said, yesterday there was a huge pullback already happening, and I think the strength of this growth is already cracking down. Let's look to the daily report. So again, back, you can see Friday, this huge 6% drop of the price, and as well stochastic already start showing downtrend. This is obvious for such a huge drop. And so what's my indication? What I think will happen next? I think next will happen that Monday, Tuesday might be the price will continue still down, probably not as high as, or not as strongly down as it was on Friday, but still might happen. Because you can see the end of day of Friday is pretty much the low of the day. So there was still, if the market basically were not closing, the price might still continue down. But we will see on Monday. Might happen that Monday, Tuesday, the price will still continue dropping, but then definitely there will be some pullback. And this will be the most important timing for potential entry of the trade. because I would not probably jump to the trade right now. Congratulations those who make some money already during Friday drop. But I think the greatest moment for entry, the short position, will be only on the top of the next high. It means when the swing will happen to, let's say, 133, 135 area, and the high will be lower than the last high of almost 140, and this will be basically confirmation of the price going down. As well, would be great if the next week COT report will indicate the net positions already either slowing down or already turning down. But because this COT report is done on Tuesday and published, or end of day Tuesday and published on Saturday, might be that we actually in this indicator don't see the latest Wednesday up to Friday of net positions of the large traders. So if we wait to the next report for Saturday, might be the positions already going down, but the price might be already significantly down and we will miss the trade. So again, up to you guys. This is an educational tip. I cannot decide for you where you will enter the position. I'm just telling you coffee right now is very hot candidate to look at, to further analyze and potentially make some trade. I think it will still take few days to look at, to wait for the confirmation of the trend, to wait for the lower high, which will hopefully happen sometime still Wednesday, and then it will be time to trade. For more conservative traders, wait till next Saturday COT report. This will already contain all the changes and it will be very strong confirmation or rejection of this trend. It still can happen that this is just a small pullback and the price will continue high, and the short will be actually bad trade. But again, let's wait for the pullback. Let's see a few days later, let's say Wednesday, where we are, and make a decision based on that. If we look to further analysis of coffee here in the spread charts platform, here you can see the term structure of KC. So you can see each term of contract with the later term is higher. So basically it's a normal distribution, it's a normal contango situation, nothing against the short trade. And if we look to the contango histogram, where we can see how strongly the contango is, or how backwardation is, should be contango. You can see the contango histogram. It's on left side. It means it's actually closer to the backwardation side, and what it means is it has a huge opportunity to go to the right and confirm the contango, means as well supporting the short position. If we look to the spread, the nearest spread is the December minus March is the second, so first and second term, and we can look to the price of the spread. You can see that the spread actually jumped a lot in the middle of November, and this was the reason. This was driven by the fact that the price was going sharply up. You can see it here when I add the price of the futures itself. So, but you can as well see that the spread start dropping already since 2nd December. You can see here that the spread is already dropping from December 2nd, and the price start dropping from Friday as well and follow the spread. So based on the spread price, you can see it as well supporting the idea of short, and the price of the futures will hopefully follow the spread price going down. If we look to the seasonality in last 5 years and 15 years, this is what these charts are using. You can see, just a second, yes, you can see that this blue line is this again the spread, and the red line is 5 years, and green one is 15 years of seasonality averages. You can see usually sometimes around middle November the spread jumps up and then slowly start decreasing and continue decreasing over the first part of the year. So again, this confirming potential short trade to be good idea, and we can expect the remaining part of December and January and February the price going down. I will trade this coffee trade with option. It means I will sell call option with the strike price above the highest 140 level, and I will hold this either till the expiration, either let's say 3 to 4 weeks to make some money on it. So I hope this video was useful for you. Please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel so you will not miss every Monday hot tip of the commodity. And I'm doing currently twice a week videos. So the second one during the week is Thursday, where I give you some insight from the trading or some educational tip as well. So that's all for today. Again, please give me thumbs up and bye.